How to fix Pinterest sound problem. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix Pinterest sound problem, firstly launch the settings application on your device and tap on notifications. Scroll down and find the Pinterest option there and tap on that. Make sure the toggle button for allow notifications is toggled on. Also, under alerts, make sure the toggle button for sounds is toggled on too. Now go back and open the Pinterest application. Here, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of the screen and then tap on the settings button. Under account, you will see the option for account management. Tap on that and here make sure the toggle button for app sounds is toggled on, as this will turn on sounds from the Pinterest app and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.